delicious paneer Maggi makhni. In a pan or a kadhai, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going to fry our paneer, cottage cheese. Before adding paneer, be careful that the oil should be hot because the paneer tends to stick if you are not using a non-stick cookware. We are going to fry the paneer pieces, not too much, just till they are light golden in color, and then strain them out. In the left out oil, there is about 1 tablespoon of oil left out here. In this, we are going to add 1 big onion roughly chopped, about 5 cashews, half inch roughly chopped piece of ginger, and about 5 garlic cloves. Now we are going to saute this till the onion gets translucent. If stirring continuously, you can keep heat over high. It will take you hardly 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to add roughly chopped small pieces of tomatoes. These are 2 medium sized tomatoes. We are going to saute them over a high heat till they are soft. And after they get soft and tender, keep heat over a low, adding a teaspoonful of Kashmiri red chili powder. Also add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, as because we are going to add masala, Maggi masala in this, so add salt carefully. Now you can put off your stove and let this come down to a room temperature or from hot to warm, and then we are going to grind this into a fine paste. This is done. Now in the same pan we are going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter melts a little bit, add the made paste over it. Over a low heat, stirring continuously, we will cook this made masala or the paste just for a minute or till it starts boiling, and then add a cup of water. Even over a low heat, this will again start boiling within a minute. Over this, we are going to drop 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. You can switch off your stove in between. Don't let your gravy dry out. We are also going to add 2 packets of Maggi masala here, as because we will be using 2 blocks or 2 cakes of Maggi. Switch off your stove and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and the fried paneer pieces. Giving it a light stir, mix it, and we are almost done. Now keeping this aside, we will start preparing Maggi. For that we have used 3/4 cup of water for each piece of Maggi, each cake of Maggi. So we have added 3/4 cup twice because we are using 2 cakes of Maggi. Covered, we will let this come to a boil, and after it comes to a boil, we will add the blocks of Maggi. And after the Maggi gets soft, don't make it too soft and mushy. After it gets soft, add it to the made masala. No need to put on the stove again, you can just mix it. If you feel that there is too much of gravy in this, don't worry, within 5 minutes it will dry out. Maggi will itself absorb it. Serve it warm or hot. For garnish, you can sprinkle a little bit of coriander over it. Do make and enjoy this delicious butter paneer Maggi makhni. And if you like the recipe, don't forget to do the drill. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon, or you can follow us over Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Till we meet again with another interesting recipe. Bye bye.